Let's look at how to create an online assignment where students are required to record or upload media. Begin by clicking on Assignments in the navigation bar and selecting to add or create a new assignment. Enter a name for your assignment and directions in the Rich Content Editor. Set the number of points and select the assignment group before moving on to the submission type. You will select Online and Media Recording before moving to the Assign To menu. The default is set to assign to everyone. However, I suggest that you assign it to specific courses by clicking in this box and choosing the courses. Next, you will need to give it an assignment due date, and then you will need to click on Save and Publish. If you would like to add a rubric to this assignment, this will be done after the assignment is created by clicking on Add a Rubric. You may begin by creating your rubric here or finding a rubric that you have already created. However, before clicking on Find a Rubric, I need to tell Canvas that I want to use this rubric for the assignment grading. Now I'm going to click on Find a Rubric. I'm going to select the LCSC EdTech course, and I'm going to scroll down and locate the rubric I want to use, and then I'm going to click on it. It will add it to the right. Once I'm sure that I want to use this rubric, if I click on Use this rubric, it will be added to the assignment. Next, let's look at how a student will access the assignment. Students will click on Assignments, and once they have located the assignment they need to complete, they will click on it to begin. They will see a Submit Assignment button next to the title, and they're going to click on that Submit Assignment button to begin. Below the assignment directions, they will see the Record or Upload Media button. To begin, they will click on that, and then it will bring up the Recording or Uploading Media box. They will simply click Start Recording and be counted down to create their video. Once they have finished, they will click on Finish, and then they may view the video to make sure that it's exactly what they want, and click Save, or they can click Start Over to begin. But if they're satisfied, they'll simply click on Save. That video will now be added to the assignment, and they'll click on Submit Assignment to finish the process. The next step is for the teacher to grade the assignment. So they're going to open the assignment and click on Speed Grader. It will bring up the assignment, and it looks though as nothing has been entered in this assignment, and that's because this is a media recording. So you'll notice in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, it tells me this submission is a media recording, and I need to click here to review video. So I'm going to watch the video the student has submitted, and then I'm going to score it on the rubric I have added to this assignment. So to do that, I'm going to click on View Rubric, and I can use this three-handled bar to move it, enlarge it, make it smaller, whatever works best for me. And then as I watch the video, I'm going to click in the rating that I want to give student. So for example, this rubric has two criteria, content and creativity. So I'm going to select 5 points for the content and 5 points for creativity. The final step is to click on Save. Then the points will appear in the assignment, or the assessment point box. And I'm done. I can click to the right to move on to the next student, and I can keep going in order to finish grading all of the assignments. Many teachers have asked about submission type and if they can select more than one option. And the answer is yes. So let me show you what that looks like. If I select text entry and media recording. As a student, what I'm going to see when I look at the assignment is I'm going to see two tabs. So let me navigate to the assignment and show you what that looks like. When you select two ways that students can respond to this assignment or to complete the assignment, students will see two boxes. They'll see the text entry box that I selected, where they can just begin typing, or they can click on media, and that will allow them to record it. But the more you select, the more tabs students will see across the top. Since I only selected text entry and media, those are the two options that students will see.